Aquasana Rhino Whole House Water Filtration System. Very similar to the Aquasana Whole House model, the NSF-certified Rhino delivers unbeatable purified water without the hassle of water softener salt replacement, electricity usage, or wastewater drainage. It works hard to keep the water safe for drinking, bathing, and is uniquely compatible to send the cleanest, purest water to all water-friendly appliances in the home. Soft water filtration leaves food tasting better, clothes lasting longer, and skin and hair rinse and stay softer. The Rhino features low to no maintenance tanks for ease of use. Here are some pros. Certified to meet the qualifications for safety, quality, sustainability, and performance. Environmentally friendly, soft water filtration. Very low maintenance, easy installation. And here are some cons. 80 pounds, shipping costs. All warranty information provided by calling customer support.